In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change username on Trello. We'll keep this simple and clear so you can update your handle with confidence and avoid any surprises. Your Trello username is what people see when they mention you, and it appears on your public profile, so choosing the right one matters. Start by opening your web browser and heading to Google. In the search box, type Trello, then select the official Trello website from the results to open it. This ensures you're on the correct site every time. If you're not already signed in, go ahead and log into your Trello account so you can access your personal settings. Once Trello is open, look to the top right corner of the page for your profile avatar. Click that to open your account menu. From the menu, choose Profile and Visibility. This is the central place where you can manage how your information appears to others. On the profile page, locate the section labeled Username. This is the handle associated with your account. Click into that field to make it editable, then enter the new username you want. Aim for something short, recognizable, and consistent with how teammates know you. If the username you want is unavailable, try a simple variation. Adding a short word, a relevant number, or a different separator can help. Keep it clean and professional, since it's visible in mentions and may be part of your public link. Before finalizing, take a quick moment to double-check spelling and capitalization. While usernames are often case-insensitive, how it looks still affects readability. Also remember that changing your username can update your public profile link, so if you've shared it elsewhere, you might want to update those references after this change. When you're happy with your choice, click Save. Trello will apply the update and let you know if anything needs adjusting. You should see your new handle reflected immediately in your profile, and teammates will see it the next time they view your card assignments or mention you in comments. If something doesn't look right, you can return to the same profile and visibility page and edit the username field again. It's a quick adjustment, and your changes are straightforward to reverse or refine. That's it. Open Trello, go to your profile menu, select Profile and Visibility, edit the username field, and save. With just a few clicks, your Trello presence is updated and ready to go. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helped you make your username change smoothly and confidently.